Thanks for checking out Zombiebox. We wanted to do a quick video of an install for one of our standby generator enclosures. Once everything is uncrated, you just put the pieces together. The most challenging part is putting the mat underneath the generator if it was already installed. Because you're watching this video, you probably know these generators are really loud. Here's the quick fix. Zombiebox assembles easily, doesn't require any special tools or skills, and if you worked with a company to install the generator, they would be able to easily add it after the fact. As you can see and hear, it makes a big difference.
You could hear Biden talk right here if he was talking. It'd be more interesting. Yeah, I noticed over on this side, it was like, man, that's quiet. Yeah. Air filter, so you're good for another year. That little hood strip right here, put in there.
What did you think of your new Zombiebox?
Love it. You know, very impressed, you know, with the aesthetics of it and the performance. You know, I didn't know even the company existed until I kind of just asked around the guys that installed the Generac, and they're like, yeah, something like that does exist. It's called Zombiebox. I was like, well, that was lucky, you know. But I was asking because it was loud and my bed backed up to the wall where the Generac was up against, and you know, it was too loud to even sleep, so I needed something to, you know, if I had guests over and it was actually running, you know, for something to cover that and make it quieter. And you know, thank God you guys had a system to go over that and you know, put it on and it, you know, at least reduce the noise by 40%. You know, which is the difference between sleeping in a room next to a generator or not. So worked out great and as expected, and happy.
Awesome. Thanks.
Thank you.